Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, becoming smarter every day. We all want to improve ourselves, right? Well, it starts with the little things we do daily. In this video, we're going to explore 15 habits that can help you become smarter over time. First, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button for more interesting content. Let's jump right in. Number 1, reading regularly. Reading regularly is one of the habits that can make you smarter every day. When you pick up a book, magazine, or even an article, you're feeding your brain with new knowledge. It's like exercise for your mind. Reading broadens your horizons, improves your vocabulary, and enhances your critical thinking skills. It allows you to explore different worlds, cultures, and perspectives, all from the comfort of your favorite reading spot. Whether it's fiction or nonfiction, each page turned is a step towards personal growth. So, make it a point to set aside some time each day to read, and you'll find yourself getting smarter with every chapter you complete. Number 2, setting goals. When you have clear objectives, it's like having a roadmap for your brain. Goals provide direction and purpose, helping you focus your energy on what truly matters. They challenge you to grow, learn, and adapt, which is essential for intellectual development. By breaking your goals into smaller, achievable steps, you can steadily build your knowledge and skills. As you work towards your goals, you'll discover new ways of thinking and problem solving, making you not only smarter, but also more confident and fulfilled in your daily life. So, keep setting those goals and watch your intelligence soar. Number 3, learn something new. Learning something new is a key habit that makes you smarter every day. It's like adding puzzle pieces to your brain's knowledge collection. Whether it's a new word, a skill, or a fact about the world, each piece brings you closer to understanding more. This habit keeps your mind active and curious, helping you adapt to changes and solve problems. It doesn't have to be something big, even small daily discoveries count. So, read a book, explore a new hobby, or ask questions about the world around you. Every day is an opportunity to grow a bit wiser, and learning something new is the pathway to that wisdom. Number 4, physical exercise. Engaging in regular physical exercise is a vital habit that can make you smarter every day. When you move your body, whether it's through a brisk walk, a jog, or hitting the gym, you're not only strengthening your muscles, but also your brain. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering a boost of oxygen and nutrients that enhance cognitive function. It can improve memory, concentration, and creativity. Additionally, physical activity releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals, reducing stress and promoting a positive mindset, which is essential for smart decision-making. So, don't forget to include exercise in your daily routine, as it's a simple yet powerful way to boost your brain power and enhance your overall well-being. Number 5, mindful meditation. It's like a mental workout for your brain. When you practice mindful meditation, you take a few minutes each day to focus on the present moment. This helps reduce stress, improve concentration, and enhance your cognitive abilities. By paying attention to your breath or sensations in your body, you sharpen your awareness and increase your emotional intelligence. Over time, this practice can boost your memory, problem-solving skills, and creativity. It's a simple habit that doesn't require any special equipment or a lot of time. Just a few moments of stillness each day can lead to a sharper, smarter mind in the long run. Number 6, healthy diet. Maintaining a healthy diet is a crucial component of the habits that make you smarter every day. Eating well fuels both your body and your mind. When you choose nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, you provide your brain with the necessary nutrients it needs to function at its best. These foods help improve concentration, memory, and cognitive abilities, which can boost your intelligence. Additionally, a balanced diet supports overall well-being by reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting better mental health. So, make it a habit to nourish your body with wholesome choices, and you'll find yourself sharper and more focused as you navigate life's daily challenges. Number 7, keeping a diary. Keeping a diary is like having a secret friend who listens without judgment. It's a habit that can make you smarter every day. When you write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, you're not only preserving your memories, but also sharpening your mind. Reflecting on your day helps you gain insights, learn from your mistakes, and set goals for the future. It's a way to organize your thoughts and make sense of the world around you. Writing can improve your vocabulary, communication skills, and creativity. Plus, it reduces stress and enhances emotional intelligence. So, grab a notebook and start jotting down your daily adventures. It's a simple habit with remarkable benefits for your mind and overall well-being. Number 8. Get enough sleep. When you slumber peacefully, your brain works like a diligent librarian, organizing and storing the information you've gathered throughout the day. It's during sleep that your brain strengthens memories, enhances problem-solving abilities, and recharges for the challenges ahead. Adequate rest also boosts your creativity and sharpens your focus, making it easier to learn and adapt. Plus, it improves your mood and reduces stress, making you more ready to tackle life's demands. So, make it a daily practice to prioritize sleep. Your brain will thank you, and you'll wake up each day feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world with a smarter, sharper mind. Number 9. Hang out with smart people. Spending time with smart people is like a secret shortcut to getting smarter every day. When you hang out with intelligent folks, you soak up their knowledge and wisdom like a sponge. They challenge your thinking, introduce you to new ideas, and inspire you to learn and grow. Smart friends can be like mentors, guiding you to make better decisions and offering fresh perspectives on life's challenges. It's not about feeling inferior, but being in the company of those who encourage your curiosity. So, seek out those brainy buddies and engage in stimulating conversations, because surrounding yourself with smart people is a habit that can boost your own intelligence and enrich your life. Number 10. Embrace failure. When we're not afraid to make mistakes, we open the door to learning and growth. Failure teaches us valuable lessons, showing us what doesn't work and guiding us towards better solutions. It's like a friendly teacher, offering wisdom in disguise. By acknowledging our missteps, we gain resilience, adaptability, and the courage to take risks. Smart people know that success often arises from a series of failures. So, don't shy away from making mistakes. Instead, welcome them as stepping stones toward a brighter, more intelligent tomorrow. When we embrace failure, we invite progress and innovation into our lives. Number 11. Take time to think. When you pause and reflect, you give your mind the opportunity to process information, solve problems, and make better decisions. It's like a mental workout that strengthens your cognitive abilities. Whether you're pondering a challenging puzzle, considering a life choice, or simply daydreaming, these moments of contemplation are invaluable. They allow you to explore new ideas, gain insights, and foster creativity. Thinking also helps you understand yourself and others better, enhancing your emotional intelligence. So, remember to take a breather, let your thoughts wander, and embrace the power of mindful reflection. It's a simple but powerful way to become a smarter and more thoughtful person each day. Number 12. Stay informed. Staying informed is a key habit that makes you smarter every day. It means keeping up with the latest news, discoveries, and ideas. By reading newspapers, watching informative videos, or following trustworthy websites, you expand your knowledge. It's like adding pieces to a puzzle that makes your mind sharper. Being informed helps you make better decisions and engage in meaningful conversations with others. It allows you to understand the world better, from current events to historical context. So, whether you're curious about science, politics, or even a new recipe, staying informed empowers you to learn, grow, and stay up to date with the ever-changing world. Make it a daily habit, and you'll be on the path to becoming smarter and more knowledgeable. Number 13. Take short breaks at work. When we pause for a moment, it gives our brains a chance to recharge and refocus. These breaks help prevent burnout and enhance our productivity. Whether it's a brief walk, a few stretches, or even just closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths, these moments of respite can boost creativity and problem-solving skills. They also improve our mood and reduce stress, creating a more positive work environment. By incorporating these short breaks into our daily routine, we give our brains the opportunity to process information more efficiently, making us not only smarter, but also happier and healthier individuals. So, don't forget to take those short breaks. Your brain will thank you for it. Number 14. Prioritize time management. When you manage your time wisely, you can focus on what truly matters. By setting clear goals and planning your day efficiently, you can tackle tasks with a clear mind. This habit helps reduce stress and increase productivity, allowing you to learn and grow. With time management, you can allocate dedicated slots for learning, reading, and self-improvement. It ensures that you make time for expanding your knowledge and skills. As you master this habit, you'll find more opportunities to explore, adapt, and become a smarter, more capable individual. So, remember, managing your time well is a smart step toward your daily growth and success. Number 15, involving in sports activities. Engaging in sports activities is a fantastic habit that can make you smarter every day. When you participate in sports, you're not just having fun, you're also exercising your brain. Sports improve your cognitive skills like decision-making and problem-solving, as you constantly strategize during games. Moreover, physical activity releases endorphins, which boost your mood and reduce stress, helping your brain function better. Team sports enhance social intelligence, fostering cooperation and communication. Regular exercise improves memory and concentration, sharpening your mind for daily challenges. So, whether it's hitting the tennis court, shooting hoops, or kicking a soccer ball, sports can be a fun and effective way to boost your smarts while staying active. Remember, it's not about a sudden transformation, but about consistent daily efforts. Incorporate these habits into your routine, and you'll be amazed at how much smarter and more fulfilled you become over time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.